Hi, this is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today's dish is a dessert that has been a hit in many of my parties and very simple to make. The great thing about it is you can make it in advance and keep it in the fridge or even freeze it and use as and when required. I am using 500 grams of black seedless grapes cleaned and washed and 50 grams of brown sugar and 1 cup of port wine. I am also going to make a bit of corn flour slurry and keep it aside. I am using 1 teaspoon of corn flour to 2 teaspoons of water. I am going to put all my ingredients in, switch on the heat. If you don't have access to port wine, you can use any regular red wine like the Sula Red, but then you need to add 25 grams more of sugar. So once the grapes begin to shrink like this, I am going to add the corn flour slurry in to give it this saucy thickness. I am going to switch this off now and let it cool and then chill it for a minimum of 1 hour. I am going to top this with fresh cream. For every 4 spoons of grapes, I usually put 1 spoon of cream, but you can adjust it as per your taste. You can replace the cream with vanilla ice cream also. Like in my house, my daughter prefers with fresh cream, but I prefer with vanilla ice cream. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.